What is up, guys? I'm Kevin with a review today of the Hidrate Spark Steel. It's a pretty new product. The other products that have come out with Hidrate Spark have been the Hidrate Spark 3. There's tons of videos online of that. I was really curious on the Hidrate Spark Steel. I was wanting to get it. I was looking around in videos. I was unable to find it. So I was like, hey, what better way to bring this product out to you? So I have two today. I have the Hidrate Spark Steel Chug, and I also have the one with the straw. It's two options. They have plenty of color options. I just chose black on both because I figured it was the easiest and it's not as exuberant as some. So first one I'm going to open right now is the straw. Get it out here. I don't know if you guys know anything about this product or not, but basically what it is it tracks your intake of water. And some people are into that, some aren't. And I've always wondered, I drink a lot of water, but I'm always wondering, how much have I done? Have I drank 60 ounces today? Have I drank 80? I don't know. So this actually syncs to your phone. Feels pretty good in the hand. Feels pretty good. Good amount of weight, not too heavy, not too much. But anyway, I've always wondered, how much am I intaking? So I figured this would be a good way to sync to my phone. It's supposed to light up or give me notifications on my watch or anything like that if I have been kind of, not taking in as much as I should be for the past little bit. So let's check this out. This is the straw. It's got a little loop, I guess, carry hole, if you wanted to carry it. Pops open. Feels pretty sturdy there. I'm sure these actually charge. So the Hidrate Spark 3, they run with an internal battery. These set on an LED. It has an LED light at the bottom, a ring. I guess it lights up sometimes when you need water. I think you can kind of run it all the time if you'd like. It's customizable. I probably won't be leaving that on. But this is supposed to charge through a USB, and we'll get there in a little bit. It comes in two different sizes. One's a 21 ounce and also a 17 ounce. So naturally I went with the 21 ounce. I think it was a $5 difference. So also inside the box here, it says located inside is a charging cable and a quick start guide. So we will open that up. And yeah, it looks like it's just a normal USB. Yeah, normal USB, and this actually has a little bit of, it's a magnet. I feel that, I don't know if you can hear it. And I guess you probably unscrew the bottom, and we'll do that. I'll get into that on the next one. So now we will open up the Chug. I chose the Chug. Also, that'll probably be my go-to. Not so much out of a straw. I feel like it'd be a little easier drinking from, I guess just the Chug type style, where you just kind of pour it in. Same thing here. It feels almost exactly the same in your hand, except for this one has a button here, and I guess that locks it. Actually, it's not a button. So if it is, and it has a button here actually, so it locks, and then you can unlock it, press the button, and it pops right open. And then here, normal style, you can just pour it directly in your mouth. Obviously, we'll need to wash it first. So also in the box, again, same thing with the not lightning cable, but the charging cable. And then the quick start guide. So this also comes with an app you can get from the App Store on your phone to help sync with stuff. If you have any friends that would like to get this bottle, they can download it, and kind of like with an Apple Watch, you can compete against your friends, or give them nudges and things like that. I don't know, I've never used a Hidrate Spark, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'll throw on some on the screen. I'll throw on screenshots, maybe video clips of what the app actually looks like and everything. So based on the quick start guide, actually you unscrew this at the bottom, it pulls right out, and as you can see here, I don't know how clear that is where you will charge it. I don't know if this comes with any kind of charge on it stock, or you may have to charge up, but basically what happens is this just goes directly on here. You can feel it click, and as I said, it's a magnet, so it should stay pretty well. But yeah, if you guys have any kind of questions, comments about anything, let me know down in the comment section. Just to show what the battery looks like while it's charging, again, it's a magnet on there. While it's charging, you'll see a flashing green light, and once it has completed charging, the green light will stay illuminated the entire time to let you know that you're finished. So when I open up the app here, the Hidrate Spark app, available in any app store, it shows a goal of how many ounces you should have per day. It comes up just generically. You can change it, set it up however you'd like. Again, my bottle here, I've set it up at calibrated. To calibrate it, you have to fill it to the ridge and set it back down. Once you do that, the bottom of the bottle will actually illuminate LED, light blue color, letting you know that it's calibrated. Every time you fill the water bottle up, you will have to calibrate the bottle just to, so it knows that it's being refilled, so you get your daily intake. After every drink you take, they recommend to set the bottle down, and for about 10 seconds. After you do that, the bottle will illuminate colors. I guess it won't do that while I pick it up, but it will illuminate after about 10 seconds. You can choose the color that you would like to pick it up. Generically comes up with a rainbow. I'll probably turn that off, but I think you have about 5 different color options, from white to orange, yellow, that kind of stuff, or rainbow. I'll probably turn it off because that's going to turn a lot of heads and talk, and I'd rather not talk to people if I don't have to. Some more functionality of the bottle itself. Again, you can have a daily goal, compete with your friends. If you lose your bottle, actually it has a, kind of like Find My iPhone, you can locate your bottle if you leave it somewhere. It sends you reminders. I've been using the bottle now for roughly 2 hours, and I haven't had any reminders per se because I've been drinking. They say that with the steel, it's like double vacuum wall insulated, and that a cold drink will stay cool for approximately 24 hours. They recommend not to use any kind of hot water or you're not supposed to use anything besides water inside the bottle. But definitely nothing hot. It's supposed to be cool. Per the website, they say that this bottle actually will do well with ice. Now, the old bottles, it was a little finicky, but it's supposed to work well with ice. I do not know. I've only used the bottle now for approximately 2 hours. I don't know the battery life. I guess time will tell. If you guys have questions and you want to know, shoot me a comment down there and I'll gladly write you back. See if there's any other cool features on here. Another feature that it has, an option, you can set how many reminders on your phone you would like to get per day on the bottle. Generically, it pops up as 8, and it's just a reminder of, hey, it's been a little while since you've taken a drink, and again, the bottle will illuminate. You can set it to a heavy illumination, medium, or light, or none at all. It's totally your preference. If you guys have any questions, comments, all that good stuff, just again, let me know down in the bottom, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.